What's up, all? I'm on my way to Mammoth Cave, and there's this trail here, so we figured we'd stop by and check it out. It's really nice up here, no doubt. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Mammoth Cave, guys. I wanted to go in the cave and do the tour deal, but my dog's not allowed, and she's not allowed to stay in the car either there. And I guess they got a kennel that I could put her in, but she wouldn't want to be put in a kennel without me there, so I'm going to sacrifice and not go in the caves. Annabelle and I are just going to explore wherever we can explore at and check out what we could check out. Huh, Annabelle? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Come on, Bill. Come on, babies. Come on. She loves to roll around. Look at that view. That's nice. I bet during the summer when everything's nice and green, it looks real beautiful, but everything's kind of dead, but it does clear up so you can see the view through the trees. Let's go check this sign out. Let's go. Oh, well, there's some little caves over there. Isn't that neat? That's pretty cool. Down the drain, sinkholes occur when slightly acidic groundwater begins to destroy the underlying bedrock. It's pretty cool. There might be some animals hibernating in those holes and little caves there. I hear something like way over there in the distance. Might be a deer. Yeah, it's real peaceful out here. It's quiet. I'm out here early. Nobody else is out here, at least at this spot. We're gonna go down there and check that sign out. So guys, I'm telling you, it seems like the more you level up your consciousness, the more you'll get attacked by demons, entities, whatever you want to call them, that are within low vibrational people. Because I've been getting attacked left and right by people not even doing nothing. They just blow up in a negative way, at least. And I could just feel the negative energy, negative vibes coming from their inner demons. That's why I gotta take a break all the time and go out here in nature just to clear my mind and get rid of that negativity I've had to deal with. I know nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect either, far from it, of course, but I'm shooting to try to be the best I can. And that's all we can do, is try to be the best that we can be. You know, this is cool. Come on, Bill. Looks like there's some water down there. Turnhole Bend Spring. Look at this view, guys. Isn't that awesome? listen, look how peaceful that is. Take that off, there you go. Go ahead. So a bunch of people carved their initials and names on this deck. Come on, baby. Very cool. I'm glad I came out here. I've been wanting to come down this way for a while, and I just haven't been able to. And finally, I was able to get up here, and I'm glad I did, because this place is pretty nice. I like it. Go, babies. But yeah, the more you level up consciously, spiritually, the more you're gonna get attacked by low vibrational people and demons and entities. You gotta understand the evil in this world. They don't like seeing us grow and better ourselves spiritually. They don't like seeing us evolve. And they'll try anything and everything to get us to go on their level, to lower our vibration. So if somebody's trying to be negative and angry to you, they're trying to get you to also be negative and angry, therefore lowering your vibration. You can't let people trigger you. I just walk away. I used to be kind of low vibrational myself, and back in the day, and somebody wants to be angry, aggressive, negative to me, I would retaliate the same way. And don't get me wrong, I'll defend myself if I have to, but I just avoid stupid people, drama, and negativity as much as I can. Annabelle loves it. She's having a blast. You having fun, Annabelle? I'm glad I pulled over here and checked it out. We still got a lot more to check out while we're up here. Look at this. Very cool. Life in a funnel. I guess it's like a funnel. So that's why there's so much, I guess, greenery right here, because it kind of blocks them from the winter, or a lot of the cold winter. That's pretty cool. And I heard, like, under this ground here, Mammoth Caves are like just what they've explored so far. It's much bigger than that, but there's like over 400 miles worth of cave tunnels that have been explored under this ground here, which is pretty wild. It's a big place under this earth. And that's why the government, the elite, they have a bunch of underground bases and tunnels, and a lot of human traffickers, child traffickers, I believe, are using these underground tunnels and kidnapping children for their adrenochrome. These Satanists. I mean, it's some huge high amount of children go missing in the United States each year alone. Just Google it or research it. Bunch of soulless people out there. Look at that. Little cave. I don't want her getting attacked by something hibernating in there. But it is a cruel world. It really is. A lot of cruel people in this world. Low vibrational, ignorant people. And the sheeple masses think the world's all cupcakes and rainbows and shit. But it's far from it. Just like in nature, you know, And it can be cruel. And in this real world, because we are nature, it is cruel. You got some evil, elite, satanic psychopaths that control this world. And they don't give a shit about humanity. When you see and know the truth, it's pretty wild that most people are blind to what is actually going on. Here's just kind of an image of what it looks like on the roads in this area. Alright, this spot here, this trail is called Cedar Sink Trail. It's a mile long. We're gonna go walk it. Come on, Bill. Now, this right here, we're in the woods here. This is just in the woods. Very nice. Yeah, Bill's got to smell every damn tree, it seems like, on the way. All kinds of different smells, huh, Bill? Go, Bill. Out here in nature, and it looks like a dam. Maybe chemtrails right there. See, they got this new spray that these chemtrails be spraying. It's an operation called Skyfold Indigo Phase 2. And they could basically make these chemtrails invisible now. Which, of course, the sheep would just be like, oh, that's just a contrail. Even though they just got more sophisticated and had more scientists, tax money paid for, working on making some invisible chemtrails so they're not visible to human eyes, but it's a bunch of chemicals. So I wouldn't be surprised if that is it. It could just be a contrail from, you know, a plane, but I know chemtrails exist. I see them all the time. They fill the whole sky up, so I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, this is really nice. Bunch of fallen trees. I like how the green moss is growing on all of it. That's pretty cool. And there's like tropical looking plants there. They're all over the place. I hear something over there. Go, Bill. Got this staircase here going down this embankment. This is really nice. Well, this is a nice spot here. Yeah, check that out. Briefly into the light. Oh wow. Look at that. It's peaceful out here. Really peaceful. That's beautiful looking. That is really cool. Water's coming off and dropping down there. The sound is so relaxing. See, this kind of stuff is good for your soul, people. You gotta get the hell out of society if you're stuck in society and come out in nature. This is where you'll calm your mind and just feel so relaxed. Look at the size of this tree right here. Look at that. Looks like there's stairs right there. We're gonna go check that area out. That's very cool. We've been walking around here for a while from trail to trail, and I'm starting to get a little tired. I gotta go get her some water. Look at this trail. This is a cool little cave area. Check that out. You hear the water? Isn't that awesome? Yeah, my dog's pretty noisy. Look at that. That is solid. We gotta go all the way back up those stairs there. That trail continues down that way, but I think we're gonna head back. My dog's thirsty and she kind of wore out already. We still got a good walk back, so we're gonna head back. Bill and I are getting our exercise in, that's for sure. Come on, baby. Come on. She's like, damn. It's good for her. Good girl. Just a little more. Come on, babies. She was getting her workout today. Good girl, baby. Good girl. It's a nice view. Just crossing. I don't know if he's headed out. Well, that's it all. I was gonna camp there at the campground at Mammoth Fall or Mammoth Cave, but Annabelle, my dog, and I, we pretty much seen everything that we wanted to see, and went where I could with my dog anyway, because my dog's not allowed in the caves. So I'm just headed back. It's just wild. Like, they want to charge $25 a night for you to live or stay in nature for a night. You know what I mean? Like, they profit. The system profits off of everything. And I don't mind paying the 25 bucks. It's just the principle. You know what I mean? We shouldn't have to pay to stay in nature, which is rightfully ours in the first place. Yeah, I get it. Their excuses like we got to maintain the park and blah blah blah. But behind the scenes, behind that, it's all about control. You know what I mean? The government is all about control, and they use park rangers and stuff as pawns to enforce, you know, the corrupt laws that they got, and to profit off of you staying in nature. It's stupid. It's just beyond me. It's not right. But anyway, till next video, peace and love. Later.